Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel. I appreciate the likes and the shares. Today I got a Mercury Mountaineer is what it is. It's a 03 model, and it has the 4.0 engine in it. And what we're doing to it is the customer wants a air compressor put in it. I'm just going to give you guys a little quick few steps on how to do this. You know, I told you them big boys don't like me showing y'all guys all this stuff, man. They're giving me a lot of slack. Listen, first thing is, if I can give y'all a good angle. Okay, you're down in here. You want to take your line out for your Freon, right? Take it a little slowly, okay? If you take it a little slowly, if it's got any Freon in it, it'll kind of seep out. You know, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to catch it in a can, but a lot of these guys, you know, these days doesn't do a lot of that. And then you got 4 bolts. You got one here. You got one behind this AC line right here. Down below it. How many bolts you got, Charles? 3?
Yeah, 4 bolts.
You got 4 bolts. You got that Charles' hand all the way down at the bottom.
You gotta take the AC line off to get to the bottom.
Right, you gotta take the AC line off to get to the bottom. See, he's working on the bottom ones down there. You got 4 of them. They go across from there, down below that, and then of course you'll take your belt off. You unplug the unit. The plug is here. Trying to get y'all some better shot. The plug is there. You unplug the unit and come out with it and go back in the same fashion. And I'm gonna bring you guys back on board when it's time to charge the system, because I do it a little different. And I can tell you guys about it on these newer compressor kits. You have to come over. It's not always the same on every car, but it's different. You see, here is the dryer. They give you the dryer and a compressor and the orifice tube, which is a little filter that goes down in the line that you must change out too for the warranty. So be aware of that, okay? So the dryer is here on this particular vehicle. Got a lot of sun out, man. So you got that bolt there and this bolt here. 1, 2. We'll take off those 2 lines there. Of course, if it's got an electrical plug, you unplug it. But this is also how you charge the system too. That's why I wanted to show you guys right here. And what I like to do is I like to put my Freon in without the vehicle being started, and it'll energize the sensor. It'll go in, and then when it's satisfied, it stops. And won't no more else go in. Won't no more go in until you turn the car on and cut the AC compressor on. Once you cut the compressor on, it'll start pulling it back out the can. I'll get that first can in there like that, and then I have the charging oil, which I use the same type of charging oil that they use to put a hose on the can. You know, I don't want the kind that you pour into the compressor, because you got to handle the compressor and that shit spills all over the place. Makes a mess more so than anything else. To me it does. I like the kind that comes in the can that you'll have to hook an AC hose up to use it. Then I'll put the charging oil in, and then right behind the charging oil I'll come back with my second can of Freon, which it may hold it and it may not, but most of them will not. And then there you have it, man. That's how you charge the system. That's how you remove and replace the air compressor on the 03 Mercury Mountaineer 03 model, 4.0 engine, the dryer, and the compressor. Hey guys, if you think the video was helpful, man, please subscribe to the channel. Give me some of those those shares, man. I need some of them shares and those likes. It's not a long video. I never make long videos. I make them short. I be more direct, straight to the point. Show you what you got to take off and sometimes how to take it off. But I'm not going to do it all for you. I'm just going to give you the steps on what you need to look for and how you need to be able to do it, okay? All right, guys. Till next time.